Hello students, today I am going to give you the live sketch of Omkarnath Thakur or the contribution of Omkarnath Thakur in Indian classical music. Pandit Omkarnath Thakur was an Indian music teacher, musicologist and Hindustani classical singer, a disciple of classical singer Vishnu Digambar Paluskar of Gwalior Gharana. He became the principal of Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Lahore, and later went on become the first dean of the music faculty at Banaras Hindu University. Omkarnath Thakur was born in 1897 in a village called Jahaj in the princely state of Baroda, into a poor military family. His father was in military. His father's name is Gauri Shankar Thakur. The family moved to Bharuch in 1900, though soon the family faced financial difficulties as his father left the military to become a sannyasi, leaving them. Thus, by the age of 5, Thakur started helping his family out by doing various odd jobs like in mills, Ramlila troupe, and even as a domestic help. When he was 14, his father died. Impressed by his singing, Omkarnath Thakur and his younger brother Ramesh Chandra were sponsored by a wealthy Parsi philanthropist Shahapurji Mancherji Dungaji in circa 1909 to train in Hindustani classical music in the Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, a music school in Bombay under classical singer Vishnu Digambar Paluskar. Thakur soon became a singer in the style of the Gwalior Gharana and started accompanying his guru and other musicians. Later in his career, he developed his own distinct style. Eventually, he made his concert debut in 1918. Omkarnath Thakur was made the principal of a Lahore branch of Paluskar's Gandharva Mahavidyalaya in 1916. Here he became acquainted with the Patiala Gharana singers like Ali Baksh and Kale Khan. In 1919, he returned to Bharuch and started his own music school Gandharva Niketan. During the 1920s, Thakur worked for the non-cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi on a local level, as he became the president of Bharuch District Congress Committee of Indian National Congress. His performances of patriotic song Bande Mataram were a regular feature of annual sessions of the Indian National Congress. Thakur toured Europe in 1933 and became one of the first Indian musicians to perform in Europe. During this tour, he performed privately for Benito Mussolini. Thakur's work as a performer and musicologist led to the creation of a music college at Banaras Hindu University that emphasized both. Here he was first dean of the music faculty. He wrote books on Indian classical music and its history. Thakur's work is criticized in contemporary music literature as ignorant of the contribution of Muslim musicians, which he blamed for deteriorating Deteriorating classical music. Thakur performed in Europe until 1954 and received the Padma Shri in 1955 and the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1963. He retired in 1963 and was awarded honorary doctorates from Banaras Hindu University. In 1964, having survived a heart attack in 1954, he suffered a stroke in July 1965, which left him partially paralyzed for the last 2 years of his life. So that's all for Omkarnath Thakur. I think you can understand the things, and if you are not understand anything, we will discuss it in our class. So please listen to it and learn it properly.